Lizzy is a shingleback lizard and she has been at Madge Sexton for quite some time. She turned 12 years old in March this year, and when we were telling the children that it was Lizzy's birthday coming up, they decided that she needed to have a party. They came up with a list of jobs. Each of them used their agency to decide which job they were going to be involved in.
Lizzy has always been a big draw card for kindy and also helped with that transition when initially starting kindy as well. I suppose a bit like a therapy support lizard.
So the children decided they wanted to build an outdoor resort for Lizzy. So we went to the zoo to gather ideas about how this resort could come to light. And then once we returned to kindy, they used those ideas to actually be part of the construction of building that resort for Lizzy. For children, student agency and being involved in projects like Lizzy's birthday party or the outdoor resort, they develop that real sense of belonging, that sense of purpose, knowing that their ideas are really important and valued.
My daughter particularly will always say, we can do hard things, I can do anything. And I think that translates to their ideas at kindy have been listened to. They've co-constructed some authentic learning experiences, and then for her that means that she can do anything.